When building exclusively with shipping containers is not feasible, hybrid construction becomes the alternative. In this video, we bring to you a contemporary family home built around a shipping container in Black Mountain, North Carolina, using the RhoHouse concept by Asheville Pocket Neighborhoods. Welcome back. The RhoHouse consists of a centralized core constructed inside a standard one-trip shipping container with a stick-built frame constructed around the shipping container. The core container holds the main infrastructure of the house, including electrical, heating, cooling, plumbing, and the finished bathrooms and kitchen. The core is fabricated off-site at the workshop and delivered complete on-site, and the conventional construction built around it within a fraction of time. An upcycled wooden door leads into a wondrous, airy living space with quirky design features that seamlessly intermingle with plush comfort. The roomy living area features a stylish light-filled dining space fitted with a custom round dining table and chairs. Next to the dining area is a cozy lounge space fitted with comfy chairs and a floor mat to define the lounge space. The living area has good-sized glass windows which bring in amazing views of the outdoors. The living area has a stunning kitchen built inside a shipping container which forms the core of the house. The kitchen comes complete with high-end stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and custom-designed under-the-counter storage cabinets with lots of open shelving. Opposite the kitchen is the first and second bedrooms. From the living room is a minimalist reading area that has been transformed into a bedroom. The room features a stack of books on the shelf and a comfortable sofa that folds out into a bed for extra sleeping space. The second bedroom features a comfortable double bed for a comfortable night rest. Of the living room is a luxurious contemporary bathroom equipped with a toilet, modern wash and basin, and a bathroom mirror plus a shower bathtub. Off the bathroom is a sliding glass door that leads onto a covered deck perfect for outdoor living. Past the bathroom is a restful master bedroom. The master bedroom features a king-sized bed with quality bed space, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom. The bathroom is well equipped with a vanity area, a toilet, a glass shower cubicle, and a big window for natural lighting. The house is fitted with big windows throughout to maximize on natural lighting. From the outside look, there is no single hint that this house is built around a shipping container. The home is covered with the cement board siding to give the house a conventional modern look. This amazing house has a proper roof to give it character and to keep away harsh weather elements. This building concept is amazing and is worth exploring. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.